Being a homeowner is a big responsibility. Some of the things that you need to make sure that you keep track of and keep in very good repair are the 5 most important systems in your house: your roof, your foundation, your HVAC, your plumbing, and your electrical. If you have any issues with any of these things, you need to get someone who is licensed and insured to come out and take a look at what's going on and give you a bid for repair. If you can't afford the repair at the moment, you really need to start saving. Ask that person what you can do in the meantime to make sure that it doesn't get any worse. Because what happens when you let things go in your house is that they tend to get worse, and your small problem gets to be a big problem and a more costly problem. So cosmetic things in your house, possibly a hole in the wall or in the door, or a door that doesn't work quite well, or maybe your garbage disposal doesn't work. Those things are minor and less important, and maybe they don't impact your day-to-day life, but it really is important that you try to keep those things maintained. And if you can't hire somebody to come in to fix those things for you, then learn to do some of the work yourself and try to make sure that you don't just let things go. Because like I said before, the small things are going to become bigger things in the long term, and then they're going to be more costly to fix if you just let them go and let them sit. So I would very much encourage you to find a handyman, find a person who can do the work cheaply and quickly in order to make sure that your house stays in full repair and that you have a good roof over your head.